Double cup, big straight holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
Hey mga amigos, welcome back guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. So last week guys, Xiaomi unveiled the new product lines they call the flagship killer, which is the Mi Mix 9 Pro 5G, the Mi Mix Alpha, and their new user interface, which is MIUI 11. But guys, the main topic here is the Mi Mix Alpha, which is one of the best smartphones so far this year that Xiaomi released. But guys, this is a concept phone, so it will not available yet, but for sure later or sooner Xiaomi will gonna release it. So now guys, I will give you a bit information regarding with the Mi Mix 9 Pro 5G, because this is the available now in the market, but for sure you will gonna get that one only in China, and maybe by next month it will be available globally. The big improvement of Mi 9 Pro compared to the Mi 9 is it has a bigger battery now, which is 4000 mAh, and they also improved the charging speed through wired and wireless, and now it has also the reverse wireless charging like what we saw in Huawei flagship devices. They also attached NFC, and they improve also the haptic engine for better touch experience. So there's a lot of room improvement in this device guys, and also the main thing is the 5G. So in terms of camera, there's no more improvement. It's almost similar to the Mi 9 last year model in terms of hardware, but Xiaomi claimed that they improved the software experience for better clarity and sharpness of the photo. And the price guys is a bit expensive compared to what we saw in the rumors online. The cheapest price guys of the Mi 9 Pro 5G, which is the lowest version, which is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, is 3,699 Chinese yuan, or more than $500. This is a bit expensive for Xiaomi phones, but for sure this is the cheapest 5G smartphone available in the market. And Xiaomi now guys is trying to compete with the giant smartphones manufacturer like Samsung, Huawei and Apple. They also released the latest version of MIUI 11, which is they simplified a lot, like color scheme or dark mode, the apps management, work services and cloud services. Now guys, this is the main event of the evening. Let's check it out guys, the new Mi Mix Alpha. This phone guys is one of the best smartphone display ever, which Xiaomi unveiled last few days guys. So maybe I can tell you guys that this is now the future of the smartphone. This is just a concept phone guys, but I'm pretty sure Xiaomi will gonna release this soon. But based on my information, it will be available only in China guys. So this is not a normal phone guys, because it has 180.6% screen to body ratio. So as you can see here guys, there's a panel, or there's a screen in the front, from both of the side, and also from the back of the screen. There's only one vertical line for the cameras. So if Huawei has the called waterfall screen display, Xiaomi called it a surround display. So it's covered from the front, from both sides, and from the back side of the phone. And on that launching day, Xiaomi CEO Lin Junli showed the concept device to the crowd guys. This phone has no physical speaker, so they use under-screen audio technology, and there's no front camera as well. So if you want to take selfie, you have to flip the phone from the back and use the main camera. The advantage of this is it will give you more sharp, more clear selfie photo, because you are using the main camera of the smartphone. And this is the world's first smartphone who used the highest megapixel, which is 108 megapixel primary camera lens with optical image stabilization, with 20 megapixel ultra wide angle with 1.5 cm macro photography and 12 megapixel telephoto camera. Just give you one trivia guys, as you can see here from the left, this is the size of the 48 megapixel lens, and this is the highest camera lens so far this year that we can see in the flagship Android devices. And guys, in the right side, this is the camera of the Mi Mix Alpha, which is 108 megapixel, which is double the pixel, the size and the resolution. And in terms of specification guys, it comes with Snapdragon 855, which is the latest from Qualcomm, and it has the 5G modem, which is the Qualcomm X50, and it has 4000 mAh battery. And from my personal opinion, guys, this is not enough because it has surround screen, so it will consume more battery and it will easily drain the juice of the battery. So since it has surround screen, there's no physical button for the volume control from the side. So all you have to do, just double tap the side of the screen and slide from down and up to adjust the volume control. It's similar to the one that we saw for the Mate 30 Pro. And yes, Xiaomi CEO revealed the price of this device. And don't expect, guys, that this is an inexpensive phone. Guys, guess the price, how much it is. It costs 20,000 Chinese yuan or $2,800. So this is expensive phone, guys. And we know that only few people can buy this. This is a lot of money. It almost similar price to the Samsung Galaxy Fold and Huawei Mate X, which is roughly $2,600 and one of the expensive phone in the industry. But guys, regardless with the price of this device, this is a piece of technology and engineering that we can say that this is truly the future of the smartphone industry. And we have to push Xiaomi company for bringing this kind of technology. The biggest question probably from the people is number one, the touch rejection on parts of the screen, especially from the sides, right? Number two, how fragile the device is because it's all glass, right? And number three is how you will put a cover on it. I can't imagine how I'll put a cover on it because it's fully glass. There's only one vertical line, or there's only one vertical space for the cameras. So I don't know how I could put the cover on it. But anyway, guys, that's my full review of Xiaomi products. Let me know your thoughts and just comment down below. And that's it, guys. See you next time. Peace.